Think you're safe on the road? Think your parked car is always secure? Think again. Every time you drive, you're rolling the dice. But what if you had a silent witness? A guardian that never sleeps, capturing everything in crystal clarity. That's the power of a modern dashcam. Welcome to the definitive countdown of the top 5 dashcams you can buy right now. We're talking about cutting-edge tech that does more than just record. It protects, it alerts, and it could even save you thousands. Let's get straight into it. Number 1. The VIOFO A329S 4K 60 FPS dashcam, our pick for best overall. This powerhouse is a game changer, earning top honors as the ultimate all-rounder, with its crisp 4K front video at 60 FPS for ultra-smooth capture of fast-moving details like license plates, even in challenging conditions. Dual Starvis 2 sensors deliver exceptional low-light performance with 2.5 times wider dynamic range, reducing noise and blur for sharp footage day or night. The 140-degree front field of view pairs with a 2K rear cam, while Wi-Fi 6 enables lightning-fast app control. Download a 1-minute 4K clip in under 10 seconds via the VIOFO app. Voice control lets you start and stop recordings or snap photos hands-free. And built-in GPS with 4 satellite systems tracks speed, location, and time precisely. Power-saving parking mode detects impacts without draining your battery. And it supports massive storage, up to 4 TB SSD or 512 GB microSD for weeks of loop-free recording. The slim coaxial cables ensure interference-free installation, and the included anti-glare CPL enhances contrast by cutting reflections. It provides ironclad proof against disputes, potentially slashing insurance premiums with documented evidence. Its ease of use shines through intuitive voice commands and OTA updates, making advanced tech accessible from novices to pros. Number 2. Dominating multi-view coverage, the Vantrue N4 Pro 4K 3-channel dashcam. This beast blankets your vehicle with front, cabin, and rear cameras for near 360-degree protection. Ideal for Uber drivers, families, or fleet owners needing eyes everywhere. The Starvis 2 IMX678 sensor powers true 4K at 30 FPS with 1080p cabin and rear, delivering cinematic quality that reads plates effortlessly, enhanced by PlatePix tech for accurate recognition in tough lighting. HDR balances shadows and glare, while the 165-degree front field of view and 360 rotatable rear cam capture every angle, including trunk or back seat. Built-in GPS embeds routes and speeds in videos for solid evidence, and 5 GHz Wi-Fi with the Vantrue app supports OTA firmware updates, quick previews, and social sharing. Voice control offers 12 commands like lock video or turn off audio for safe, hands-free operation. 4 parking modes, including buffered motion detection, guard 24/7 without battery drain. The wide display and cross-platform apps simplify reviews. On the downside, the optional anti-glare CPL isn't included, and wiring the rear cam might need extra effort in larger vehicles. But for multi-angle mastery, it's unmatched in value and performance. Number 3. For elite clarity and sophistication, the Garmin Dashcam X310 Compact 4K Ultra HD redefines discretion with its low-profile design, recording sharp 4K video via Garmin Clarity HDR for vivid details in any light, bolstered by a built-in polarizer to slash windshield glare. The 140-degree front FOV grabs wide scenes, while the 2.4-inch touchscreen LCD offers instant playback and easy settings tweaks. Multilingual voice control handles commands like saving clips or muting audio effortlessly. And built-in GPS logs precise incident locations and times. Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connect to the Garmin Drive app for remote live views, with parking guards sending notifications for detected bumps. Automatic incident detection saves footage to the secure online vault for sharing even without subscription nearby. Magnetic mount with power cable ensures quick setup in cars. Why is this essential? Amid rising road risks, it supplies pristine evidence to clear your name in accidents, plus remote monitoring for parked peace of mind. Its intuitive interface suits tech-savvy users and beginners alike, blending compactness with power. Drawbacks include no included microSD card, front-only recording limiting multi-view, and subscription for full features adding cost. Yet for standalone premium excellence, it shines brightly.
Number 4. The Nextbase IQ isn't just a dash cam, it's a connected security system for your car. This is the future, available today. It's the world's first dash cam with built-in 4G LTE and GPS connectivity, meaning it doesn't need your phone's hotspot to work its magic. Check a live view of your car from anywhere in the world through the app. Its Smart Sense Parking uses AI and proximity sensors to alert you if someone is lurking near your parked car. Feel threatened? Activate witness mode with your voice and it will share a live feed with a trusted contact. Get in a crash and can't respond? Emergency SOS automatically alerts 911 with your location and medical info. The potential downside is the optional subscription for some features, which adds to the cost, and its design is a bit bulkier to house all its tech. But for its unparalleled combination of smart connectivity, emergency features, and crystal clear 180p recording, the Nextbase IQ is the most intelligent and protective dashcam you can buy, earning it our 4th spot.
Number 5. Delivering unbeatable affordability, the Miofive S1 Ultra 4K plus 4K dashcam is the best value for budget. Dual 4K cameras front at 30 FPS with 140-degree FOV, rear at 25 FPS, harness HDR and super night vision for balanced, clear footage in all conditions, capturing every detail vividly. Built-in GPS logs routes and speeds via the Miofive app over 5G Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for real-time sharing. G-Sensor locks critical clips during collisions, preventing overwrite and loop recording, and 24-hour parking monitoring protects when away. A supercapacitor withstands harsh temps, and it includes a 64GB SD card expandable to 512GB. The 3-inch IPS display and easy windshield mount simplify use. Why snag this? For cost-conscious drivers facing insurance hikes, it offers high-end dual protection cheaply, resolving disputes with solid evidence to save money. AI updates keep it fresh. The con? App registration might take steps, but for the price, it's a budget powerhouse that empowers secure driving without compromise. So, which one is right for you? If you want the smartest, most connected Guardian, go with the Nextbase IQ. Need total coverage? The Vantrue N4 Pro is your answer. Prefer a sleek premium feel? The Garmin X310 won't disappoint. Demand the best night vision? The VIOFO A329S is your pick. And if you want incredible 4K quality without breaking the bank, the Miofive S1 Ultra is a phenomenal value. No matter which you choose, you're making a decision that brings immense peace of mind. You're not just buying a camera, you're buying an unbiased witness, a 24/7 security guard, and your best piece of evidence. Stop risking it all every time you turn the key. Click the links in the description to check the latest prices on these fantastic dash cams and drive safe.